Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learner podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here with us again today.
Hey guys, it's Tom here. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. How are you today, Anna?
I'm doing great, Tom. I had a really busy morning, but I'm excited to be here. I made myself a big cup of tea to wake up. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks. I had my coffee, so I'm full of energy now.
That's good. So, hello to all our lovely listeners out there. We hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. Maybe you're walking, studying, or relaxing at home.
Yes, and today's topic is a really interesting one, how to think in English. Many English learners ask this question all the time because it's one of the hardest things to do.
That's true. Many people say, I can read and write English, but I can't think in English. And that's totally normal when you're learning a new language.
Exactly. So today we'll share some easy and fun tips to help you start thinking in English like a native speaker.
Great idea. So, Tom, let's start simple. What does it really mean to think in English?
Good question. Thinking in English means using English in your mind instead of translating from your own language. For example, when you see a cat, you don't think of it in your language first, you just think cat.
Yes, it's like training your brain to use English naturally. At first, it's not easy, but the more you practice, the faster you get.
Right. I always tell my students that it's like building a muscle. You have to use English every day, even for small things, so your brain starts to think in English automatically.
Exactly. And you don't need to speak perfectly. Just start with simple thoughts. For example, when you wake up, you can think, I'm hungry, I'm sleepy, or it's time to brush my teeth.
Yes, I do that sometimes when I learn another language. I try to describe what I'm doing using that language. For example, I'm walking to school or I'm drinking water. It helps me practice without stress.
That's a great tip. You can also talk to yourself quietly in English. Some people think it's strange, but it's actually a powerful way to practice thinking in English.
I agree. You don't need a partner all the time. You can be your own speaking partner. Just imagine you're talking to a friend. For example, "Hi, how are you?" "Oh, I'm good, thanks. What about you?"
That's fun. Yes, that's fun. Another way is to name things around you in English. When you see a table, say table. When you see a chair, say chair.
That's true. It helps your brain connect English words to real objects, not translations. You can even play a little game. Look around your room and try to name 5 things in English.
Ooh, that's a fun challenge. I sometimes do that with colors, too. I say, the sky is blue, the wall is white, the book is red. It keeps my mind active in English.
Nice. And if you listen to and read more English, it becomes easier. Watch English movies, listen to English songs, or podcasts like ours.
Yes, our podcast is perfect practice. You can also change your phone or social media language to English. It might feel strange at first, but you'll start learning words you see every day.
Exactly. I remember when I changed my phone language to English, I learned words like settings, notifications, and update without studying them.
Same here. And when you don't know how to say something, don't stop. Try to explain it in another way using simple English.
Right. For example, if you forget the word refrigerator, you can say the cold box where we keep food. That's still good communication.
Yes, that's such a smart idea. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. The goal is to keep your brain in English mode as long as possible.
Exactly. If you keep switching back to your native language, your brain gets confused. So try to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes every day thinking only in English.
You can do this while walking, cooking, cleaning, or even showering. Just think in English. It's like having a secret little conversation with yourself.
Yes, and when you go outside, describe what you see. For example, the sun is bright today, or there's a dog running in the park.
That's a fun exercise. You can also think about what people are doing, like that woman is talking on the phone, or that boy is eating ice cream.
Great examples, Anna. These small thoughts help you build real-life English sentences. And after some time, your brain starts to use English naturally without effort.
Yes, that's when you know you're starting to think in English. When you don't translate anymore, you just understand.
Exactly. But remember, it takes time and practice. Don't feel bad if it doesn't happen right away.
True. Even 5 minutes of English thinking every day makes a big difference. Just be patient and consistent.
And here's another great tip. Keep a simple English journal. Write a few sentences about your day, your plans, or your feelings.
I love that idea. You can write something like, "Today I went to school," or "I feel happy because I met my friend." Writing helps your brain organize thoughts in English.
Right. And don't worry about perfect grammar or spelling. Focus on expressing your ideas clearly.
Yes, because when you think in English, the goal is not perfection, it's confidence and fluency.
Well said, Anna. So let's review our tips for everyone listening. To think in English, you should use English every day, talk to yourself or describe what you see, listen and read a lot of English, stop translating in your head, and don't worry about mistakes. Just keep going.
Perfect summary. And remember, enjoy the process. Thinking in English can be fun when you make it part of your daily life.
So, everyone listening, how about you? Do you try to think in English every day?
Tell us in the comments below, what tricks or habits help you think in English faster?
We'd love to read your answers and maybe share some of them in our next episode.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more fun and easy English conversations every week.
Thanks so much for listening today. Keep practicing, stay confident, and keep thinking in English.
Have a great day, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.